We are downtown Seattle. We're at the Amazon Spheres. They're known to Amazon employees as Jeff's Balls. They're named after Jeff Bezos, the CEO of Amazon. You guys excited?
Yeah.
So excited. So it's gonna take us like 3 hours to get there. So we just crossed the border. We got asked lots of questions. Robin did really well. He aced the test.
Ace.
We need some gas though, right? You're low on gas?
Okay.
Yeah, we're a little low on gas.
This looks like the octane.
So the best part about the gas stations here in the US is that you can do this so it's hands-free. Well, you don't have to hold on to the gas pump. Okay, we got here a little early. We're just gonna walk around some part of Seattle.
They already made a hole, so you can just stab it with a straw and drink the coconut.
Ow!
I want to be.
Alright, be in the picture. Get it, put it on the car. No.
Hey, we found our friend, and we're gonna go sleep at his place, I guess. Wow, so aggressive. Wait. First day in Seattle. Where are we going first?
Portage Bay Cafe.
And then we're gonna head north to Everett and go to the Boeing Museum of Flight because Robin really likes airplanes.
Mike, you might have stepped in dog poop.
And later we have dinner reservations at this pighead place. I don't know what it's called.
We don't know what the restaurant's called, but
Yeah,
our
but-
friend made reservations.
So we have to drive to the Portage Bay Cafe just because it's a little bit far. But when we get back into Seattle, we're probably going to use Uber or Lyft. It's a lot cheaper. Uber and Lyft is pretty good if you're not making long trips in the city, I guess, because it's relatively inexpensive, especially if you're splitting between like a group of friends, right?
I haven't had breakfast yet.
She needs help.
We're at the Portage Bay. It's a restaurant that sells local, organic, and sustainable foods from local farmers markets. And these are the list of places where they get their ingredients, which is close and in Seattle. They serve breakfast all day. I think that's is what they're famous for, the breakfast bar. You essentially order anything within this order, and then you can go up to their bar and top it off with some cheese and some fruits and your syrup that you want. So I don't know what to order. Everything looks so good. So I got Phil's breakfast, which you get a slice of whole wheat toast. I chose the 2 sausage links, and I got scrambled eggs, and you get potatoes with it. Mike's got the other version. So it's essentially the same, except that Mike's comes with French toast.
Yeah. How was it, guys?
It was good.
I'm so cold.
Yeah. Where are we going, guys?
Boing.
Boeing.
The Museum of Flight.
Boing.
We stopped at a mall because everybody has to go to the bathroom, and we have some time.
Everybody.
Yeah, right.
Bathroom break.
We're here at the Boeing Future of Flight. See all the airplanes in the back? I don't think you can see that. It's kind of hard to see. Airplanes? Yeah?
You want your chocolate?
That's where the airplanes are, and this is where the future flight exhibition is, I guess. You might not be able to film inside, so you guys have to come here yourself.
This is Bill Boeing. He's the founder of Boeing, and he flies airplanes.
We met up with Robin's buddy's cousin. He's going to give us a discount, which is pretty cool. And then we're going to take a shuttle to go to the manufacturing side of Boeing, and that's where the tour is held. But we can't bring any cell phones, purses, or cameras, so I won't be able to record.
Heights on the pipe, so it has different air pressure at each place, and based on that you can see where the ball is relative to the hole.
Board the plane?
Let's board the plane.
Board the plane.
Yeah. Where do you want to sit? We can sit wherever we want. Aisle seat all the time. Always aisle seat.
Nah.
Always aisle seat.
I'm gonna fall asleep.
It legit feels like we're on an airplane right now.
I know, it does.
Hello, tickets please. Boarding passes?
Tickets?
Boarding passes?
I have a boarding pass.
Well, then you can't get on the plane. You guys are gonna have to leave.
Oh, well,
you guys are gonna
that's
have to
too
leave. You guys are gonna have to.
Aisle seat.
We walked through the gallery. Now it's time for a tour, and we can't record or bring anything with us, so that's it for the camera. Nice tour. Was it enjoyable?
It's okay.
Yeah.
alright.
Nothing was moving because all the pieces are very big and it takes them a long time to build planes.
There's a lot of people working on it.
And you didn't get to see the engine.
Yeah, you didn't get to see the engine. All the planes were like basically missing engines. But
You see the
good.
chassis.
And missing parts here and there.
Yeah, that's true.
Lots of rivets.
Yeah, lots of rivets.
This place is huge.
That's the one thing we learned. If you know how to rivet, you should probably work here.
Yeah, she's right. One person stands on the X and then everyone else to her left. And then cozy up together. There you go. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3.
So we're trying to head back into Seattle, and now we're stuck in traffic.
We're gonna stop by Billy Gates' house and say hi.
Billy.
Yeah, Billy Gates' house.
We're gonna stop by Billy Gates' house.
Say hi. Say how's Windows 11 going, and when's the next release? Windows 10 is okay.
Actually, speaking of Billy Gates' house, there's Microsoft right there.
Where?
On the right.
This is Bellevue. So this is like city center Bellevue. We're trying to meet our friend back at his place. He's already there and he can't get in because we have his keys. So yeah, we're late. But we gotta meet up with them because we're gonna go eat some pig head together. We're waiting for our Uber.
Do you see
We'll
it
meet-
coming down?
Yeah, once our Uber gets here, we're gonna head down to Radiator Whiskey, where we will have our pig head.
Oh, there it is. No, that's not it.
Thank you. How was your first Uber ride?
Not the greatest. Our Uber driver was he was indifferent for our existence. He was indifferent in our existence.
That's
in
why
his
it's
car.
I felt pretty safe. I
Yeah.
think that was great.
So this is beef brisket. What is that? Onions?
Onion. So this is the tongue right here, and then pork tenderloin. And these are the pig ears. They cut them up and bread them. So, whichever one of you wants to eat the eyeball, if you would like, I'll give you a shot of whiskey for eating it. You don't have to have it though. I mean, you can still eat the eyeball. It's right in there. And then just take the tongues and pierce the cheek. Like that. And then just peel that back.
Wow.
How did I get to carry this?
This is the wall of gum. It's an alley of gum. People are trying to draw stuff.
It used to be fuller than this, but they like power wash it all down.
Somebody's putting a pack of gum in their mouth. Like, check this out. Dude.
Wait, we need some gum.
They respect the walkway.
No, they
Actually,
You know, it doesn't smell as bad as you think it would. Like all that saliva. All that gum saliva. Yeah, this is a wall, like an alley of gum. There's gum everywhere here. Everywhere. Look, this wall is completely, and people put effort into this too. They don't just slap it on.
Yeah.
They put their business cards, and they try to draw things like, oh, they're like drawing out their name and stuff. Cuz.
Are you eating gum right now?
Hey, can I have gum?
no.
That's disgusting, dude. That's disgusting, dude. That is sick. So we are gonna contribute because society says it's okay to the gum wall.
We're being a part of Seattle. This is our part.
Being a part of the problem.
Not a problem. This is a solution.
I don't want to touch this. This is disgusting. I'm just gonna. I can't even see it. You gotta wash
This
your
is
hands, though.
disgusting. Look at this.
This is where we're going tomorrow. So that's day one of Seattle. Pighead and then that gum wall. It's kind of disgusting. Can't believe Robin touched it. Full palm on the wall. Anyways, that's it for tonight. We're just gonna go hang out somewhere now. And
Tomorrow is day 2.
yes.